Intelligence Gateway.
Lesson 7, Visualization. Lesson 7 of the Big Data on AWS Certification. Course focuses on data visualization using AWS services. Here's an overview of what you can expect to learn in this lesson. 1. Data Visualization Overview, an introduction to data visualization concepts and the importance of visualizing data to communicate insights effectively. 2. Amazon QuickSight, a deeper dive into Amazon QuickSight, a cloud-based business intelligence (BI) service for creating and sharing interactive dashboards and reports. You'll learn about QuickSight's visualization options, data sources, and advanced features. 3. Data Visualization Best Practices for designing effective visualizations, including choosing the right chart types, using color and formatting effectively, and telling a compelling data story. 4. Case Studies, real-world case studies of organizations using AWS visualization services in their big data solutions, highlighting the benefits and challenges they faced. By the end of this lesson, you will have a solid understanding of AWS services for data visualization and be able to create compelling visualizations to communicate insights from your big data solutions. You will be prepared to move on to the next lesson, which covers data security and compliance on AWS.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.